Welcome to Digital Machine World. This is the place where we bring you the wonders of modern machinery, advanced technology, and industrial innovation. Today, we're introducing an extraordinary machine, the High-Performance Vertical Machining Center. Let's dive into the details of this powerful and precision-driven machine. Machine features. This state-of-the-art machinery is crafted from high-quality meionite cast iron, heat-treated for maximum strength and precision. Boxways on all three axes provide unmatched stability and vibration damping. It features an automatic lubrication system, ensuring cost savings and environmental protection. With an oil-coolant separation design, it meets environmental standards and simplifies maintenance. Standard features. This machine comes equipped with a powerful 25 HP spindle motor, delivering the performance of a 6,000 RPM Cat 50 Big Plus taper. Offerings on the Thanic OMF control system, offering AI contour control for exceptional accuracy and efficiency. Its 24-tool twin-arm changer switches tools in just 3.5 seconds. Other key features include rigid tapping for optimal threading, chip auger system keeping your workspace clean and efficient, and a 590 IPM rapid traverse rate boosting productivity to new heights. Capacity and precision. The machine's capacity offers you 55 in axis, 49.5 each y-axis, and 27.5-inch z-section. It operates with outstanding precision, featuring plus 0.2-inch positioning accuracy and plus 0.000008-inch repeatability. Advanced technology. This machine comes with cutting-edge technology. An oil jacket spindle chiller ensuring thermal stability. Tersite-coated ways for long-term durability. And a 1000 psi through-spindle coolant system simplifying and enhancing the cutting process. User convenience. This machine is designed with user convenience in mind. A portable manual pulse generator for easy part alignment. Program protection for added security. And a fully enclosed splash guard system keeping your workspace safe and clean. Why choose this machine? The High-Performance Vertical Machining Center offers a unique combination of robust construction, advanced technology, and superior performance. This machine is specifically designed for those who demand high precision and productivity in heavy-duty operations. Closing. This was today's detailed review brought to you by Digital Machine World. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. This script will engage your viewers and provide them with valuable information about the machine while promoting your channel effectively.